recently talked about how veganism is becoming more present in houses around the world. Did you watch this video? Thinking about that, we decided to talk about how your body changes with this new diet. Do you know what can happen? Have you tried going vegan? Although there are many reasons for becoming vegan, such as protecting the environment or animals' lives, this diet also offers health benefits. When you stop eating meat, eggs, and milk and adopt a diet based on vegetable foods, you start to feel and even see some changes. See now what you can expect from your body when changing to veganism. You can lose weight. Your waist will shrink and chances are the scale will go down. After all, a diet full of vegetables tends to be less caloric than a menu filled with meat and dairy. In 2015, a study conducted by Dr. Neil Bernard came to the conclusion that in the first months of a vegan diet, voluntary participants lost about 10 pounds. With a vegan diet, you feel full even with smaller portions since vegetables contain more fiber, which also helps you not give in to the temptation of midnight snacks. Improves the palate. A few weeks without fast foods and foods from animal sources rich in salt and fats are already enough to make your taste buds work better. That means you will experience a symphony of flavors in each dish and appreciate your meals like never before. You will sleep better. That happens because, in general, vegans eat foods that are higher in fiber and lower in saturated fats. A study revealed that veganism can be the perfect solution for a good night's sleep. A plant-based diet offers more complex carbs, components that stimulate serotonin release and help us sleep. That means that starchy foods like rice and potato can help us sleep better. Isn't it amazing? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Less joint issues. Did you know that foods like butter, cheese, and hamburgers can cause joint inflammations because they are rich in saturated fats? Recent research revealed that veganism helps people with rheumatoid arthritis, partly because their consumption of saturated fats is reduced. Also, the foods of a vegan diet fight off inflammation. Healthier skin. The idea of milk affecting the skin has been debated for a long time. Recent studies suggest that plant-based diets can eliminate pimples and improve skin health. Cutting dairy and eating more natural antioxidant foods makes your skin healthier, mainly due to the negative impact of hormones and natural steroids found in milk. Your smell can change. Meat isn't the only food that makes the body release toxins with a strong odor. Vegetables also change our smell. Some vegetables, like cabbage and onion, contain natural sulfur. You may notice changes in your sweat smell after adding these foods to your diet, but it is just food decomposition. You will have more energy. Apparently, a vegan diet can balance your energy levels. Vegetables tend to be easily digested, which means the body is less overworked. When the digestive system has to work more, you can feel more tired. In this sense, adopting a vegan diet can raise your energy levels and ensure a more productive day. Now that you know how your body changes with a vegan diet, we want to know, are you willing to stop eating meat and foods from an animal source? Leave your opinion in the comments below. If you decided to change your lifestyle or have already done it, tell us what changed in your body. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.